Hey, what's going on guys? In this video we are going to see how to print this diamond pattern using C programming. Here we are going to use the nested for loop. First we are going to introduce some integer type of variable, integer, and since we are trying to use for loop we need variables for that. Integer, I'm declaring I and j and k, and another one n. N is for the limit. I initialize this one with 8. Okay, now let's go ahead and begin the first for loop. In the first for loop we are going to initialize I with 0, and we set the condition I is less than n. I is less than n, and then we do the increment each time I plus plus. Okay, and inside of this for loop we are going to create another for loop. That's why we call this a nested for loop. Inside of this loop for, and I initialize j with 0, then I do the condition. Here we are going to put the condition j is less than n minus I. This is for the space. As you can see, like the space is decreasing as we move downward, right? We are only taking care of this first half part. We will do the second half part. For the second half part it's going to be opposite. Now for the first half part you can see the space is decreasing by like each row, so that's why we put n minus I right here. It's going to do the decrement, and then we put j plus plus for j increment. Now the next thing is we are going to print out the space. To print out the space we put a printf statement, and then in the quote mark we put a space like this. Okay, then that's it for this one. Now the next thing is we are going to create another for loop. In this is for the characters. For here initialize j with 0, and then we set the condition j is less than I, and then we do the increment for j by 1, j plus plus, and after that we have to print out the stars. To print out the stars we put printf statement inside of this one, quote mark, asterisk inside, and also we need to leave a space in order to get this pattern. Leave a space like this. Okay, and then quote mark, and each time the loop is finished we have to go to the next line, because one time it's finished we have to go to the next line to print this one, next line to print this one. So we have to put a printf statement new line. Using printf statement we are going to put a new line, \n for that, and that's it. Now this is for the first half. When I run this one, execute this one, something wrong here. Okay guys, I just found out the mistake. That is, I put a bracket double time. I have to get rid of one of these. Now let's go ahead and execute this one. Now it's printing the first half of the diamond shape. Now we want the rest of the half shape. To do that, it's just simple. You just have to copy this one until the end, and paste it after this. Start from the second for loop, inside for loop, okay, and paste it right here. And here only one thing you have to change. You have to change this one into, because for the downward the space is increasing and the character is decreasing. Okay, so what we do, before we had space is decreasing, so for this one what we do is we just keep it as I, cut it like this, and for this one we put n minus I. Okay, because the space is increasing when it goes downward, and then character is decreasing like this. Okay, now let's go ahead and run this one. Something wrong. Actually the mistake is I had to put this one also. Okay, put this one also, and that's it. Now let's go ahead and run this one. Now it's printing the diamond shape. Okay, and that's it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn C or C++ programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.